Shaun, so how do you think the weekend's gone? FlairNZ 2011 first event.
Oh, look, it couldn't have gone better for us, to be honest. It's exactly as we'd really envisaged it would be. It had that real Oshkosh feel to it. The weather didn't play ball with us the whole time, but considering the time of year, absolutely wrapped.
You think you might do this again in future?
Oh, look, I think we'll definitely do it again in future. I think we proved that this type of model is very successful in New Zealand. Now, when you look at how AirVenture started with EAA and Oshkosh all those many years ago, we've got that same sort of really tight-knit community within aviation in New Zealand. And I think people were a bit unsure, but those that have made the trip down to Flair have been absolutely astonished with the level of innovation in aviation in New Zealand. They've seen an array of amazing things. I've heard only 100% positive feedback from everyone. And they're all talking about wanting to, when is it going to be on next year? So I think that's a good enough reason for us to want to do it again. I think it'll be a lot easier next time as well. We've definitely learnt some key lessons from this one. And I'm actually really looking forward to it.
Myself, just talking to people going around, I mean, it has been 100% positive in terms of people saying that they've been talking to industry people, they've made contacts, they've learned about products and businesses that they didn't know about beforehand, and so it sounds like a very positive thing for the whole industry. Do you think you will be able to attract a lot more people next time?
Yeah, look, I think we can. A lot of people, I had this site plan of what I envisaged Flair would look like. And a lot of people looked me very strange in the face when I showed them that site plan. And quite funny, Giovanni Nastrini from Flair Composites, he said to me just about 2 hours ago, he says, I was very sceptical of that site plan. He says, but you pulled it off.
What is it that you're trying to achieve from Flair going ahead into the future?
Look, I think we want to keep educating, and there's so many aspects of Flair that we want to keep doing. Right from that very first event, we had a business speed dating event. And to be honest, I was unsure how well would that go, but we had over 60 companies doing that speed dating event, and they all thoroughly enjoyed doing that situation of going around and meeting everyone right at the beginning of the event, right through then to all the interest seminars, the trade seminars we had, as well as the home building seminars. I know we had 30 odd people in the composites seminar this morning learning about building composites. The fabric covering's gone very well, the spray painting, the metalworking workshops. Glenn Martin, Sid Siddiqui, our visiting expert aerodynamicist John McGuinness and John Paul Noyes with their Synergy aircraft. People have come out of those seminars and they're just going, wow. They're absolutely excited about aviation and what's happening around the world. And those relationships we're building by going to Oshkosh, and they're doing the same by coming over here to us. So, I think the model of building that camaraderie between the industry businesses and the aviation pilots and enthusiasts themselves as well all comes into this event. And I think it's exactly what we need in New Zealand. We need a little bit of everything in one event.
Basically, air shows are great for the public, but not necessarily for the industry. No,
that's exactly right. And you can fall into that trap as, we want the public because we need to make money to break even. And look, that's a hard thing to do at an air show, there's no doubt about it. But at the end of the day, something good and as far as business needs to go to. So if we can support the industry with that and have other aspects as well, I think it'd be really enjoyable for everyone. It wasn't a true air show by any stretch of the imagination, but I absolutely loved watching all of those New Zealand aeroplanes being put on show. The P750 X-Star, what a fantastic display with that machine. I'm in awe of that thing every time it flies. It's built right here in New Zealand. The Alpha 160s. The Bantam microlights, we're here at the home of micro aviation, and the Bantams here at Te Kowhai, and what a great spot that's been, and very hospitable Max Clear and his family have been. Other products like the Martin Jetpack, Ario Hawk, Kiwi Props, we've got such a wide range of industry products coming through, and soon we'll be able to display all of them here.